Hey guys, today's video is about objectives of design. So, when we design a structure, what are the things that we have to consider when we analyze a design that is given to us? Well, first we make sure that the design is stable so that it can be constructed, so we can build building with that design. So we have to check whether it is stable or not, or it can resist loads, or the concretes can resist the load bearing structure which is going to be built. Not only that, it should provide enough comforts for the customers who are gonna use that building. So the three objectives, so these are things that we should consider when we create a design of a building. The first one is stability, as I mentioned before, to prevent overturning, sliding, or buckling of the structure or parts of it when the structure undergoes loading. That is, the concrete should be stable enough to handle loads, so that it should have enough reinforcements around it, so that uh, no cracks or overturning or bending won't take place when we apply a huge amount of heavy loads. The next objective is the next is strength, to resist safely the stresses induced by the loads in various structural members. See, when we connect steel reinforcement with concrete, we are transferring the strain of concrete to steel as well, so there will be compatible, so that beam will be compatible for the superstructure that we are going to build. So it should resist the stresses which is induced. That is the second objective of design that we have to consider, that is the strength. The last one is the serviceability. That means we have to ensure that it has enough satisfactory performance for the under service loads, which means providing it with adequate stiffness and reinforcements to contain uh, deflections, to resist deflections, crack widths, and vibrations within acceptable limits, providing impermeability as well as durability. Not only that, it should be comforting, it should not have any discomforts or malfunctions. It should resist those, and that's what they meant by serviceability. It should resist discomforts and malfunctions of the structure, which is the by ensuring that they have adequate stiffness and reinforcements to contain like deflections, crack widths, vibrations, creep, shrinkage, etc. So that's the objectives of design. I hope you understand how or what all things that we have to consider when we create a design of an infrastructure. Thank you.